Hi Dad, happy birthday. I hope na i-enjoy niyo po yung birthday niyo ngayon at sana po di po kayo ma tumigil mag-pray all day, every day, each day. And maraming salamat po sa everything na binigay niyo sa amin. And I pray na hindi po kayong magsawang humingi po ng request kay God, syempre. Then alam po naman natin na God will answer your prayers. Then I pray na ingatan po kayo ni God sa work, and yun, I pray na makapunta po kami dyan para po makagala-gala. Siyempre, para po makasama po namin kayo at makapag-banding din po. Happy birthday, Dad. Wish you all the best. Sana palagi kayong okay. Yan. Happy birthday. Love you. Miss you.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you have done for us. Thank you for your support, love and care. And I pray to God that you will always be safe there and in your work. I hope that you will have an unshakable faith in God, and you will have more blessings from God. And I love you, Dad, and happy birthday. I'm just kidding. Bye, Dad. I love you. Happy birthday. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday to you! Sayang, wala ako dyan. Wala kami dyan to celebrate with you. But, be happy today because it's your birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for always listening to me. Kahit na mababaw minsan yung problema ko, kahit minsan umiiyak ako nang wala namang kwenta yung problema ko, pero nandiyan ka pa rin lagi, nag-uplift sa akin. Thank you for always being there sa akin kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, but you always keep us connected. Thank you. I pray that the Lord will grant the desires of your heart. I pray that the Lord will answer all your prayers according to His will, according to His purpose also. God bless you, Daddy, and happy birthday. We miss you, we love you, and see you. Enjoy your day today. Happy birthday. Love you.